This is an advertisement.
Hey everyone, I'm Piper Curda. In Disney and Pixar's new movie Hoppers, I voice Mabel. With some help from Nat Geo, we can learn what it might be like to be a real beaver out in the wild. Let's hop in and find out. What do you see? Your sight is different, isn't it? If you were to hop into a real beaver's mind, things would look blurrier since they don't see super well. Beavers are in the water a lot and are mainly nocturnal, so they mostly rely on their other senses. Can you smell that? A beaver's nose is a lot more sensitive than our nose is. Those scents would tell your beaver brain what's nearby, like fresh wood or predators, or even where your territory ends and your neighbor's territory begins. Whoa, you're way smaller, only about a foot off the ground, and you're way slower trudging across land. But the moment you dive in the water, speed machine. To learn more about beavers, you can hop into the latest issue of Nat Geo Kids magazine. Don't miss Disney and Pixar's new movie Hoppers, now in theaters.